Welcome to a world where simple stick figures carry big ideas.
Do you know this feeling? You get your money, you feel rich, and then, after 2 weeks, your money is completely gone. You ask yourself, where did my money go? Today I am going to show you a simple, step-by-step formula used by millionaires to manage money. By watching this video till the end, you will learn how to save money naturally without giving up the things you love. To stop being poor, the first and most important step is to understand the basic money pattern. Every smart financial plan follows one main rule, the 50-30-20 rule. 50% is for your needs, 30% is for your wants, and 20% is for your savings. Let's look at how this formula works step by step. First, we take 50% of your money for your needs. These are the things you must pay to survive: rent, bills, and basic food. If you make $1,000, $500 goes here, no more. Next, we add 30% for your wants. This is the secret. You do not need to stop having fun. This money is for movies, restaurants, hobbies, or a new shirt. You can spend $300 here without feeling guilty. Finally, we add 20% for your savings. This money goes straight to your bank account or investment. You do not touch it. This 20% is your shield against emergencies. Let's look at the difference. Stick figure A does not use the formula. He buys a luxury watch on day 1, and by day 15, he has $0. Stick figure B uses the 50-30-20 rule. He pays his rent, enjoys his coffee, and saves money every single month. To practice this, ask yourself today, where does my money go? Remember, being rich is not about how much money you make. It is about how you manage it. Start using the 50-30-20 rule today and watch your stress disappear. If you want to learn more step-by-step formulas for your life, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.